Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best plastic restorers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best plastic restorers that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Cerakote R-TKIT1004. Seracote RTKIT1004 is a unique ceramic coating that will give your surfaces a more long-lasting coat to ensure maximum protection. With this plastic restorer, you are sure to get protection for up to 2 years or at least 200 washes. This product restores and protects your surfaces, and it is simple to apply. For the application, you only need to use the pre-moistened wipes to rub the product over the trim. Once dry, this ceramic coating leaves you with a dry-to-the-touch surface that will not streak and is not oily or greasy. The only notable drawback with this ceramic-based plastic restorer is that it can be hard to remove if you need to, as it is very hard once dry. However, a little sanding or using things like thinner and rubbing alcohol should help you with this. Moving on at number 4. We have the Solution Finish SFB. Solution Finish SFB is a highly effective black plastic restorer for cars that will leave the black surfaces in the vehicle looking new again. It works for black plastic, vinyl, and rubber surfaces. Better yet, it is suitable for use on various vehicle parts such as bumpers, window trims, and mirrors. This product has a potent formula that will not just restore but also condition, renew and protect the black surfaces. Better still, it will leave the surface with a deep black matte finish with no greasy shine or a wet look to ensure a more attractive look. You do not need to reapply it very often as this restorer offers protection for several months. There is only 1 ounce of product in the bottle, and this plastic restorer is also relatively expensive given the smaller quantity. However, a little of it goes a long way, and the fact that it is more long-lasting ensures you still get value for your money. Better yet, you can always go for the 12-ounce Solution Finish SFB 12 bottle if you need more of this fantastic product. At number 3, we have the Trinova FAA_33307. Anyone looking for a premium quality trim and plastic restorer will love the Trinova FAA_33307. What makes it such an outstanding product is that it effectively protects the surface from the natural elements to ensure it does not show signs of aging. The advanced formula ensures that with this restorer, you get protection from the rain, dirt, and salt by creating a protective coating over the surface. Hence, you will never have to worry about preserving the vehicle's shine. Besides restoring the shine in the trims, the formula will also be effective at darkening surfaces to revitalize them. And it does all this without leaving some annoying streaks behind. Better yet, it is also relatively easy to apply, and it comes with a free applicator. This Trinova plastic restorer seems a little oily, but it still works fine, and with enough buffing, this will hardly be an issue. Although it can also be quite messy during application as it seems to ooze from the bottle, the results are worth it. At number 2, we have the Mothers 06112. Since the Mothers 06112 comes at a more affordable price tag, it will be ideal if you do not want to spend a lot of money maintaining and restoring the vehicle's exterior. This plastic restorer is also safe for use on all colors, and it works for a variety of exterior surfaces, including bumpers, molding, and door handles. With this product, you have an effective solution for cleaning and restoring your surfaces, and it always leaves the color looking new. Also, it protects against further deterioration of the trim due to water, chemicals, or the sun's rays. Application is straightforward as this product comes with a free applicator and it will get rid of any light oxidation, dirt, or surface films without requiring too much scrubbing from you. This product still seems to be a little oily after application. Also, it appears to require relatively more frequent reapplication as it is not very long-lasting. But, for such an affordable product, these are things you can overlook. And finally at number 1. We have the CarGuys PR80Z. The CarGuys PR80Z takes our top overall spot because, unlike other plastic restorers, it will protect your surfaces for several months. What's more, this is a versatile product that is ideal for interior and exterior surfaces and a wide variety of materials, including vinyl and rubber. Because this plastic restorer includes some unique UV inhibitors, it will be very effective at preventing fading and ensuring the surface does not dry out. The formula does not include harmful chemicals like petroleum, distillate and silicone to ensure it will be safe for both the environment and the users. Many motorists also appreciate that this product comes in a nice bottle designed to ensure the application is more straightforward. And the finish that you get makes this an even better buy as it will be dry to touch and with no oily or greasy mess. While this plastic restorer could be more water resistant, it still holds up quite well against the rain when applied correctly. The low quality of the provided sponge should also not be a big concern as it still gets the job done, and you can always use a microfiber cloth if you have one. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.